Hello everyone. In this video we will study the chapter Matter in Our Surroundings from class 9th. So the very first question, what is matter? Anything that has mass and occupies space is called matter. Matter is made up of 5 basic elements. You can call them as Panch Tattva. What are these? The first one is air, second one is earth, third one is fire, fourth sky, and the fifth one water. These 5 basic elements help in the formation of matter. On the further studies, scientists classified matter on the basis of 2 things. What are these 2 things? The very first thing is physical properties of matter, and the second one is chemical properties of matter. So on the basis of physical properties of matter, what is the physical nature of matter? Matter is made up of particles, very small and fine particles. How small these particles are? These particles are very small in size that they can't be seen by our naked eyes. To understand more, we should know the characteristics of particles of matter. There are 3 characteristics of particles of matter. What are these? The first one is particles of matter have space between them. Second one, particles of matter are continuously moving. And the third one, particles of matter attract each other. We will perform a small activity to understand how the particles of matter have space between them, how the particles of matter are continuously moving, and how the particles of matter attract each other. To understand the characteristics of particle of matter, we will perform few activities. First, to see that particles of matter have space between them. For that, we take 1 glass of water and then we will pour 1 spoon of sugar in that. After adding sugar, stir the solution for few minutes. You will notice that the particles of sugar are getting smaller and dissolving in water. This shows that there is a space between the particles of water. The space is there, therefore the particles of sugar are getting adjusted between the particles of water. Now to see that particles of matter are continuously moving. Again we take a glass of water and pour few drops of ink in that. So after pouring the drops of ink, we will notice that ink is dissolving in water on itself. We do not need to stir it. It will dissolve in water itself. And you can see here now that the ink is getting covering more area. The water area is being covered by the ink. And now here you can see the ink has covered almost complete part of the water. This shows that particles of matter are continuously moving. Now the third one, particles of matter attract each other. They attract, but there is a differentiation in the forces they have. Some have a strong molecular force and some have weak molecular force. So we have here 2 things. The pencil, it has weak molecular force, so it will get broken. Now if we take the wooden stick, the particles are held it strongly. So if we try to break it, it is not possible easily to break it. This shows particles of matter attract each other with different forces in different substances. So after performing the 3 activities, first, sugar in water, particles of matter have space, particles of matter are continuously moving. You can see here ink is completely dissolved in water. And the third one, particles of matter attract each other